Hey there, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to set your Moj account private. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. Moj is an Indian video sharing social networking service owned by Bangalore-based Mahala Tech Private Limited. It features special effects, emoticons, stickers and short videos that have a duration of 15 seconds to 1 minute under genres like dance, travel, singing, acting, comedy, and education. So, first of all, click on the Moj app. Now click on your profile. Click on 3 dots at the upper rightmost corner. It will take you to the profile settings. Now click on privacy. Here, as you can see, there is no option for setting your account on private. So, the thing is, you cannot set your account on private at the moment. The app doesn't allow you to set your account on private. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.